Hello there, it is an early Sunday morning and I am out in my yard cleaning it up after I had that windstorm. One side of the yard's not as bad as the other, but I have a lot of cleaning up to do because I haven't been out here in a few days, so stay tuned. It's a blustery day. We're going to have a lot of leaf cleanup this weekend. But I'm loving the colors of this tree. I have a carpet of leaves. Now I think it's time to put all my umbrellas and my seating cushions away. Winter is arriving. Look at the pool. It is a mess. And this is from the windstorm, so I don't normally clean up the pool. That's my husband's job. But we'll be out here today cleaning it all up. It's time to take down the shears. Those will come down. We've already started taking down the cushions. Just have a few more to go. And I think the worst here is the side yard. Look at the carpet of leaves. It's crazy. Table. Look at the tables. Oh my goodness. Time to cover up, clean up and cover up the barbecue. Oh my gosh, look at my hydrangea. My hydrangea needs some water. Gotta water that. Oh, it's just a mess. It's our work area back here. It is just a mess. This is what fall looks like in my yard. I'm gonna start the yard cleanup by cleaning up all the poop on the lawn. Like, I haven't been out here for a couple of days and I have 2 big dogs, so we have to clean up after them. Well, I think I have all the dog poop picked up, and sometimes I feel like I'm hunting Easter eggs. I know that sounds gross, but when you have dogs, that's part of life. You've got to pick up after them. So if you don't pick up after them, you're going to pay the price by stepping in it, and I don't want to step in it. I've done that too many times before. shears have been taken down. The lawn has been mowed. We've taken down some cushions. The pool, it's pretty clean in the process. The leaves have been raked up and blown. I mean, we're not trying to be perfect because we still have a lot of leaves left on the tree. And they're gonna fall, so it's good enough for now. And I've watered my little hydrangea in the corner. It's looking much better. We have a big pile of leaves back there that we still have to get rid of. You know, everybody's fall cleanup is a little different. We spent a few hours out here trying to clean up our yard, but you know, it was worth it. I feel much better once it's done, and I get my exercise. But stay tuned for next week. I have something special that I'm going to be sharing with you. It's a little shop, it's a local shop in my area that I frequent quite a bit, and especially this time of year. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.